Yeah, so I believe practice set 8.2 में question number 2 is still pending, right? So question 2, uh, yeah, Soham, I'll be starting with trigonometry topic, and I'm not sure how much time I'll need to complete it today. If let's say it goes somewhere around 35 minutes, I'll continue with the next topic today itself. If not, you can just join again right after 30-35 minutes if you don't have the topic, right? And check what topic is still going on. So I would like to continue with trigonometry. The concept which I would like to go ahead with is the trigonometric table, which we need to study, right? Which we need to understand, right? Uh, okay, chapter 9 is omitted, so I'll be just teaching chapter 7. That's it on PPT. So we are almost done with the syllabus as well, right? So children, in this table, what we need to take care of is first thing is standard angle. Now, what are standard angles? Standard angles are certain specific values for angles which I'll be writing those down here. उनके अलावा और कोई angles को हम लोग standard angle नहीं बोलेंगे, right? 0 degree is a standard angle, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and then at last 90 degree. So these are the standard angles. इनके अलावा there are no other angles which we can call them as standard angle, right? The next is ratios. अब ratios में कौन कौन आने वाला है? Sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. There are three more, cosec, sec, and cot, but they are not in our syllabus for 9 standard. Yes, definitely they'll be there for our time 10 standard. So we'll be learning the other three in our 10 standard. Don't worry about that. As of now, I'll be just going ahead and completing this three rows, right? So, sir, do we have to write this? Aditi, you have to, but let me first complete this. Then you can just copy everything at once, right? Okay. So there are two options, children, here. Either you can by heart the table, right? For example, sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, and sine 90 is 1. Likewise, you can just remember the entire table, but believe me, वो थोड़ा सा कहीं ना कहीं पे हमेशा मिस्टेक का चांस होता है. So there is this small trick kind of stuff, right? I would call it as working because थोड़ा बहुत हमको यहाँ पे work करना पड़ेगा, right? Now the trick or the working goes something like this. First thing is the first step you can call it as we have to write it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first step or the first step for the trick is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, right? The second step is to divide everything by 4, right? So I've completed two steps, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, divide everything by 4. Yeah, good evening, Niti, right? The third step is to take a root here, right? So I'll be taking a root for everybody. So these are the three steps to remember the working, right? Now you can just kind of, derive the values for sine theta. Uh, yeah, 0 upon 4, children. We all know it is nothing but 0 upon 4. What is the answer? Perfect. Arman, it is 0, right? So 0 upon 4 is 0. Daniel, that is correct. And root of 0 again is 0. Therefore, the answer here has to be 0. मतलब इसका आंसर जो है मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है, right? Likewise, 1 upon 4 cannot be further reduced, right? 1 का root होगा 1 and 4 का root will be 2 and not root 2, right? So it has to be 1 upon 2. Now this right here can be further reduced to 1 जा 2 2 जा, राइट। अच्छा, 1 का रूट जो न्यूमरेटर में है विल बिकम सर ओनली साइन 0 विल बी देयर, राइट? वेयर? Royans is asking, sir, only sin 0 will be there. मतलब there मतलब कहाँ पर? SI theta. नहीं नहीं, sin theta is, मैं बता दो, don't worry about that, Royans. As of now, just pay attention on the working, right? I'll help you with how to read the table. Don't worry about that. So root of 1 will be 1 upon, यहाँ पर 2 है, so root of 2, since it is not a perfect square, it will remain as it is, root 2, right? Now 3 upon 4 cannot be simplified further. Now root of 3 will stay as it is since it is not a perfect square. So root 3, yeah, I'm just not matching things here, so I'll just draw the lines, right? So this is like root 3 upon, अच्छा 4 का रूट क्या हो जाएगा? 2. Now 4 upon 4 can be simplified and that will become 1 upon 1. So root of 1 is ultimately 1, right, children? I hope that is clear. Okay, now before we move ahead, I would like to discuss one particular formula here. Now let us first discuss that formula and then go back to the table, right? As of now, एक 2 मिनट के लिए table को भूल जाना, right? Uh, I hope you kids remember the ratios, the formulas, like sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse and all that stuff, right? So this is 90, this is theta. Now let's say if I talk about sine theta here. Okay, before I move on to sine theta, let's say children, I'm interested in finding value of angle A. So question is, how do I find value of angle A? Can anyone help me? No, Royans syllabus में sin, cos और tan theta टेबल के लिए है, cosec, sec and cot नहीं है. अदिति, पाइथागोरस से बेटा साइड्स ढूंढ सकते हो, एंगल्स नहीं. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एंगल ए, अदिति. Perfect. Sakshi from Vikroli is correct. It has to be angle sub property of a triangle. So basically, in this beautiful triangle, children, I would add all the three angles. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Okay, you don't have to copy this. This is just the concept, right? जो ultimately मैं derive करने वाला हूँ. So just pay attention here. Now, in order to find angle A ka value, I'll keep it as it is. Angle B is nothing but 90 degree from the figure. And angle C ka value from the figure is nothing but theta. So now I shift this plus 90 on the right hand side. Right? So this is the equal to sign. I've shifted plus 90 on the other side. I'll just write this 180 as it is. Plus 90 on the other side becomes minus 90. Plus theta becomes minus theta. Right? 180 minus 90, the answer is 90 degree minus theta. So children, that means, can I state that angle A is nothing but 90 minus theta degrees, right? Correct? Yeah. So यहाँ पर what I'll write is 90 minus theta. I hope kind of visible, right? 90 minus theta. Any doubts till this part? Yeah, it is angle B minus angle C. That's absolutely correct. Right. Now, let us talk about sine theta here. The formula for sine theta was opposite upon hypotenuse. So, opposite side is AB, hypotenuse side is AC. Right? AB upon AC. I mark it as my equation 1. Sir, if we take angle A as theta, then C has to be 90 minus theta, correct? right? Now sin theta AB upon AC मिल चुका है. I'll ask you a very simple question, children, right? With respect to angle A, मतलब 90 minus theta के accordance में AB कौन सा साइड है, ऑपोजिट है या एडजेसेंट है? Perfect, it is adjacent. Correct. And AC is hypotenuse. So if I talk with respect to 90 minus theta, and if I aim to get AB upon AC, so AB upon AC के aim से अगर मैं सोचूं with respect to 90 minus theta, it is like adjacent upon hypotenuse, and we all know adjacent upon hypotenuse is nothing but cos theta का ratio, isn't it? So cos theta नहीं लिखेंगे हम लोग cos theta नहीं लिखेंगे. Since we need to talk with respect to 90 minus theta, I'll have to write it as cos 90 minus theta. अच्छा, 90 minus theta देख के टेंशन में मत आना. It is as good as writing as cos of angle A, right? मतलब if this is 30 degree, 90 minus 30 is like 60. So it is like cos of 60 degree. I hope that is clear. Yeah. So cos 90 minus A has to be adjacent upon hypotenuse. So 90 minus theta के लिए adjacent is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So AB upon AC, equation 2. Hey children, equation 1 and equation 2 का right hand sides देखो, are they equal? What happened, Arman? You have just messaged star, 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 everything. Right. So if the right hand sides are equal, the left hand sides are also equal. Perfect. So that means, can I state that sine theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta? The part which I wanted to conclude at is this. Sine theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. You know what, children? इसका उल्टा भी possible है. मतलब cos theta, if you check, will be equal to sine 90 minus theta. So this two, sine theta and cos theta, sir, I'm not able to understand how equation 1 came. Child, equation 1 अगर तुम देखोगे sin theta है. What is sin theta का formula? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Now talk about theta. Theta is nothing but angle C. तो theta के opposite में है AB और hypotenuse है AC. So it is AB upon AC. That is how I got equation 1. The kid who asked about equation 1 समझा? Aditi, equation 2 समझा आपको? और shall I explain it again? Okay, समझा है. Now Aditi, क्योंकि दोनों का right hand side equal है, तो left hand side भी equal है. That is how I concluded this. And then I said इसका उल्टा converse भी possible है. मतलब इस statement के लिए भी मुझे वापस ऐसा पूरा prove करना पड़ेगा. So as of now I have written it directly. And such relation between sin and cos, क्योंकि यहाँ पर अगर मैं 30 लिखूं, right? If I write instead of theta, if I write 30, it is like 90 minus 30, which is 60. And 60 and 30 together, they become 90. Honey says my voice is lagging. Lagging मतलब समझा नहीं मैं. वीडियो पहले दिख रहा है, आवाज बाद में आ रहा है. Okay. People saying it is okay. There is no issue. Yeah. Yeah. So the point is, such a relation, when those two angles added up, they become 90. We call them as complementary angles. Prapti says, sir, I have not understood the sum. Prapti, this is a concept. If you haven't understood it, don't worry about it. As of now, सिर्फ इतना याद रखो प्राप्ति कि साइन और कॉस के बीच में ऐसा करके कुछ फॉर्मूला है जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फॉर्मूलास. Now, why the word complementary? Because you add theta and 90 minus theta. तो माइनस थीटा प्लस थीटा कैंसिल हो जाता है, बचता है 90, क्योंकि एडिशन पे 90 मिलता है. हेंस द वर्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फॉर्मूला, राइट? जो तो जैसे नहीं, यू डोंट हैव टू प्रूव दिस इन एग्जाम. तो जैसे साइन और कॉस के बीच में रिलेशन है, राइट? द सेम रिलेशन अभी जो मैं लिखने वाला हूँ, ये फॉर्मूला आपके एग्जाम में आ सकता है. ओनली द फॉर्मूलास, नो प्रूफ रिक्वायर्ड. सो द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला एग्जिस्ट बिटवीन साइन थीटा and cos theta, right? You may put it as a or cos theta is equals to sine 90 minus theta. Now the second relation which exists is between sec theta and cosec theta. Now this is complementary relation, right? Cosec theta is equals to sec. अब children, if you all can conclude from here, total 6 ratios है, जिसमें से 4 आपके सामने है. Which 2 are left? Perfect. Tan and cot. So tan theta is nothing but cot 90 minus theta, and or cot theta can be written as tan 90 minus theta. I want you all to copy 1, 2, and 3. This 3 set of formulas and give the heading as complementary formulas. Be very quick. And then we'll copy the table. Don't worry. I'll have to teach the table first, but this were needed in the table. Let me know once you people have finished copying. Complementary formulas is the heading. These formulas are known as complementary formulas. Yeah, finished with the set of complementary formulas. Yeah, Niti, absolutely, I can wait. That is the reason I ask you all to confirm. It's okay, Prapti, I'll wait, don't worry. Arman is finished copying. Aditi has finished copying. Niti has completed copying. Ani has finished it. So I can see a few students have already completed. Now the intensity has increased. Many students are messaging finished, completed, finished, done, completed. Yeah. So assuming at least 95% of the kids have already completed, right? Uh, yeah. Now sir, are there sums like this? Yeah, there are sums based on this formulas. These are not sums. ये sums नहीं है. ये basically एक concept कहाँ से आया, formula कहाँ से आया, वो explain किया था, right? Now, why I discussed this formula? I'll tell you very simple reason. If you remember the formula for cos theta, just look in your books, children. जो formula आपने copy किया है, उसमें आपने लिखा होगा cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta, correct? हाँ. तो cos theta मतलब यहाँ पर theta का वैल्यू है 0 डिग्री. तो अगर cos theta का वैल्यू 0 हो जाता है तो 90 माइनस 0 कितना होगा? परफेक्ट. दैट मीन्स cos 0 इज नथिंग बट sin 90. तो साइन का जो वैल्यू है 90 का, वो वैल्यू पकड़ करके आपको यहाँ पर रखना है. सो इट इज एज गुड एज मैंने 1 को पकड़ा और यहाँ पर रखा, राइट? नाउ cos theta for this particular column, theta is nothing but 30 degree. So if I talk about cos 30, right? Cos 30 degree, it has to be sin 90 minus 30. Now what is 90 minus 30? 60. Matlab we need to talk about sine of 60 degree, which is sine 60 degree का value कितना दिखाई दे रहा है? See, how do we get the value? Sine वाला row and 60 degree वाला column. It is root 3 upon 2. So I pick up this value, I place it here. So that's like root 3 upon 2. Likewise, I just pick this value up. अगर आपने pattern note किया हो तो 1 को उठाया यहाँ पे रखा, root 3 upon 2 को उठाया यहाँ पे रखा. I'll just pick up 1 upon root 2. I'll keep it here, right? 1 upon 2, the same concept, 0 यहाँ पर. That is how I get cos theta का value, right? And then talking about tan theta, if you all remember, kids, tan theta एक डायरेक्ट रिलेशन हमने ऑब्जर्व किया था बिटवीन tan sin and cos. That relation was tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta, isn't it? So that means in order to find tan 0, I'll have to divide sin 0 upon cos 0. मतलब मुझे इन दोनों values को divide करना है. So 0 upon 1. The answer is 0. Absolutely. Now, half divided by root 3 upon 2. Now, there are many students who might find it difficult to divide fraction upon fraction. So, you can do it like this, like half divided by root 3 upon 2. Now, this division sign changes to multiplication, isn't it? So, half into, ये उल्टा हो जाएगा, reciprocal, 2 upon root 3. 2 gets cancelled. So, the ultimate answer is 1 upon root 3. I hope everybody has understood how I got 1 upon root 3. Right? Yeah. Now same thing upon same thing. The definitely answer is 1. Tan 60 is root 3 when you divide it. Okay, now this thing 1 upon 0, children, remember it is not defined. What is it? Not defined. Yeah, actually it is infinite, Arman. बट 10th स्टैंडर्ड के सिलेबस में उस इनफाइनाइट को नॉट डिफाइंड बोला है. एंड ये सेम चीज जब आप 11th में चले जाओगे, ठीक है, तो दिस नॉट डिफाइंड विल चेंज एंड बिकम इनफाइनाइट. मतलब nobody knows what the actual value is. Only thing which is known is the value is very high. I hope that is clear. We cannot write 0. Razin, remember, denominator में जब भी 0 आएगा ना, we don't know what the value is, right? See, Razin, I'll help you here. Razin, I want you to answer few questions. Tell me what is 4 upon 4, Razin? Yeah, it is 1. Now tell me, Razin, what is 4 upon 2? Yeah, correct. Tell me what is 4 upon 1? Yeah, it is 4. So, Razin, few things to observe here are, डिनोमिनेटर पहले 4 था, फिर मैंने डिनोमिनेटर को रेड्यूस किया, 2 हो गया. मैंने उसको फर्दर रेड्यूस किया, 1 हो गया. लेकिन जब मैं डिनोमिनेटर को रेड्यूस कर रहा था, व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग मीनवाइल विद द आंसर? The answer child initially was 1, it went to 2, it went to 4. मतलब मैंने एक चीज ऑब्जर्व किया है कि जब मैं डिनोमिनेटर को रेड्यूस कर रहा हूं, मेरा फाइनल आंसर इंक्रीज हो रहा है. तो डिनोमिनेटर रेड्यूस होगा, फाइनल आंसर इंक्रीज होगा. व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन द डिनोमिनेटर विल रीच 0? माय आंसर विल शूट अप. कितना ऊपर जाएगा, जैसे आप स्क्रीन में नहीं देख पा रहे हो, उतना ऊपर जाएगा. एंड हेंस इट इज कॉल्ड एज इंफिनिटी. या दैट इज करेक्ट. बट इंफिनिटी क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है किसी को पता नहीं ना. सो इंफिनिटी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0, स्टिल नोबडी नोज दैट. So it is something which is not defined. Complicated math. Yeah. So here the table is the working along with it. I request you all to copy it. So abhi ke liye keeping it simple, tan 90 is not defined. Wow, Daniel has already copied it. Waiting for other kids to message me if you have finished copying the table. See, ultimately you people are expected to remember the table in your exams. मतलब आपको टेक्स्ट बुक वगैरह प्रोवाइड नहीं होता है, राइट? Yeah, correct. That is correct, Arman. The same logic which I have explained. Okay, so we would be starting with the sums now. Finally, yeah, and complete of the chapter. So here are the sums. It's practice set 8.2, right? Question 2. I'll talk about the first question first. It is 5 sine 30. 5 sine 30 degree plus 3 tan 45 degree. Now, before I move ahead, just to make things clearer to few students, जिनको ऑलरेडी पता है वेल एंड गुड, 5 एंड साइन 30 के बीच में कुछ नहीं है, मतलब देयर इज अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन. अगे साइन एंड 30 के बीच में कुछ नहीं है, मतलब कुछ नहीं, राइट? सो दिस इज लाइक अ सिंगल टर्म साइन 30. So this is a single term, this is a single term, there is a multiplication in between. The same goes here. 3 and tan 45 के बीच में कुछ नहीं है, मतलब multiplication है, right? So now I'll put a equal to sign here, right? I'll put a 5 क्योंकि यहाँ पर 5 है, फिर into. अब sin 30 का value from the table, right? If you look at the table, sin 30, here it is, sin 30. The value is half. Plus 3 into tan 45. Tan 45 का value children, tan 45 is nothing but 1. So 1. I hope everybody knows कि पहले multiplication करना होता है, right? So multiplication के वक्त 5 into 1 is 5 upon 2 plus the operator will stay as it is. 3 into 1 is 3. अब यहाँ पर गलती से आपने पहले इसको solve किया, it is wrong. I hope you all know priorities. सबसे पहला priorities जाता है brackets को. सेकेंड प्रायोरिटी मल्टीप्लीकेशन या डिविजन, दोनों सेम लेवल पर है. एंड थर्ड प्रायोरिटी प्लस या माइनस को. करेक्ट, दैट इज व्हाट इज BODMAS, राइट? सो इट इज लाइक ब्रैकेट प्लस सॉरी मल्टीप्लीकेशन डिविजन एंड देन प्लस एंड माइनस. नाउ यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है, मतलब 1 है एंड वी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, राइट? सो 1 into 5 is 5 plus 2 into 3 is 6 upon 2 into 1 is 2. 5 plus 6 is 11 and upon 2. So at the end, what we have to do is we have to copy this entire question. 5 sine 30 degree plus 3 tan 45 degree is equals to 11 upon 2. If you don't copy this entire question, you lose half a mark there, children. I hope that is clear. So kindly copy the question. Let me know once you people are done. Wow, Shruti has already finished it. Rajesh has finished it. Kitesh has finished it. Sai finished. Riddhi has completed it. Yeah. So I can see few students have already completed it. Okay. Shall I move ahead? Is there any kid who needs some more time with the particular sum? Yeah. So I'll just move ahead. Deep says 1 second. 1 second already हो चुका है Deep. Yeah. So I'll just copy the second question. It is 4 upon 5 tan square 60 degree plus 3 sine square 60 degree. So children, one more thing which I can see here is tan square. अब tan square का मतलब क्या होता है? tan 60 का जो भी वैल्यू होगा उसका the whole square आ जाएगा. I hope that is clear. Yeah. So now 4 upon 5 into, let us check what is the value of tan 60. Right, here is the table. Tan 60, the value is root 3. So tan 60 का वैल्यू है रूट 3, क्योंकि tan square 60 है, I'll have to put a square. Do not forget to put a square here. In exams, there are many kids जो घाई घाई में sum करते हैं. They know it, they are very happy, and घाई में square करना भूल जाते हैं, and you lose marks. 3 sin 60 is nothing but root 3 upon 2. I'm not referring to the table. I hope that is absolutely okay. Right? You kids can do it on your selves, referring to the table. If any kid needs help with that, just let me know. 4 upon 5 into, अब root 3 का square is like root 3 into root 3, which is 3, plus 3 into, again root 3 का square is 3, 2 का square will be 4. Now, as I said कि पहले multiplication को priority दिया जाएगा, so 3 4s is 12 upon 5 plus 3 3s is 9 upon 4. Now we cross multiply. 4 into 12 is 48. And this is 45 upon 20, right? So now that becomes 93, I believe. Yeah. 93 by 20, and that's your answer. So ultimately, at the end, you copy the question. And then you write down the answer. That's how you get marks. So copy the sum. Okay, those kids who have finished copying can just go ahead and try question 3, sub question 3. Those kids who have finished second sub question can just try third sub question. I want you all to try the third sub question. Soham says the answer is 5. Let me check, Soham. 2 into sine 30, which is 2 into half. Cos 0 is 1. Sine 90 is 1. 3 plus 1, 4, 4. Yeah, correct. That is 5. The answer is 5. Absolutely correct. Any kid who finds any sort of difficulty with sub question 3, kindly ask, I'll solve it, or else the sum is done. Paresh, I don't think so that I'll be able to start with a new topic today because there are few more sums left. So already I can say it is 37 now. मतलब hardly 23 minutes left. तो मेरे ख्याल से 10 मिनट जल्दी हो जाएगा, but then Sakshi is asking me, why don't we cross multiply this? Sakshi, I mentioned it in the earlier classes as well कि बेटा cross multiplication सिर्फ तभी होता है when the operator between two fractions is plus or minus. If it is multiplication, we directly multiply them and we do not cross multiply. I hope that is clear, Sakshi. Yeah, Razin, I believe that is correct. Question 4, don't worry, I'll be solving it. Because थोड़ा सा roots में answer है तो बच्चे डर जाते हैं. But I believe sub question 3, all the kids must have done it. Okay, anyways, for those kids who have finished sub question 4 as well, कुछ बच्चों ने मुझे आंसर बताया, तो मैं सब question 5 and 6 होमवर्क देने वाला हूँ. You can just start solving those. खत्म कर दो, आपका होमवर्क का टाइम reduce हो जाएगा. Right? So any kid who is having any sort of difficulty with sub question 3, kindly message. I'll solve sub question 3. Wow, you finished 5th. Goyal, Mahi Goyal, the answer is not 9 upon 2, it is 5. I'll solve the sum for you, don't worry, child. Just pay attention. So it is 2 sine 30 degree plus cos 0 degree plus 3 sine 90 degree. Now, Mahi, if you refer the table, sine 30 ka value is nothing but half, right? Plus cos 0 ka value is 1 from the table and sine 90 ka value is 1. Wow, Daniel has finished all the 6 sums. Very happy, Daniel. Sine 90 is 1, right? Yeah, that is correct, Razi. पता नहीं, एक बच्चे को √3/2 आया, एक को √3/4. So kindly check what the final answer is. अच्छा, यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लीकेशन को सबसे पहले प्रायोरिटी. 2 gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 plus, अच्छा 3 1s are 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 5 and ultimately you copy the question. Yeah, most of the students, I can see 50% of the students have completed all the 6 sums. Very happy to see that. Yeah. It's okay, Daniel. Exam में table आप खुद से कर सकते हो using the tricks which I gave, right? Or else the second option is by heart it. I'll just help few kids with the fourth one क्योंकि वहाँ पे काफी सारे roots involved है. So कुछ बच्चे confuse हो जाते हैं. Tan 60, sin 60 plus cos 60. So tan 60, the value I believe is nothing but √3, right? Upon sin 60 is √3 upon 2 plus cos 60 is half. Now in the numerator, I cannot do anything. So I keep √3 as it is. But in the denominator, children, I can see denominator ka denominators are equal. Sir, what will you do after this? हाँ, वही बता रहा हूँ. बेटा डिनोमिनेटर में अगर तू देखेगा इट इज लाइक फ्रैक्शन प्लस फ्रैक्शन. यू कैन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई योर चॉइस, बट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से बेटर ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है कि दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. और जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम होता है हम सिर्फ एक बार लिखते हैं डिनोमिनेटर को और न्यूमरेटर्स को ऑपरेट करते हैं. मंदा पवार सेज प्लीज शो द प्रीवियस सम. ये ले फटाफट बेटा मंदा, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस इफ यू वांट. Manda, have you finished? Yeah. So here it is. I've just taken the denominators, thought of them since they are same. I've written it once और numerator को हम add करेंगे. I hope everybody knows this. √3 plus 1, right? So it is like √3 plus 1 upon 2. Now, do not get confused. It is like √3 upon 1, right, children? So it is as good as fraction upon fraction. And as I said earlier as well, जब भी fraction upon fraction होता है उसको कुछ इस तरीके से लिखो so that you will not get confused, right? Sir, mute. किसको mute करूं? √3 upon 1 into second ratio will get reciprocal 2 upon √3 plus 1, right? So multiplication है तो directly multiply होगा. √3 into 2 is 2√3, right? 2√3 upon this will stay as it is, √3 plus 1, and that's your final answer. At the end, you copy the question, that is equals to 2√3 upon √3 plus 1, right? Hope you kids have understood it. So I request you all to copy the sum. Yeah, the last two sub questions would be homework. Fifth and sixth sub question. few sums from problem set left. Niharika is requesting me for the third sum. Niharika, which third sum are you talking about? This or this? Second ka third sub question, right, Niharika? Yeah, I'll do that. Let kids copy this first. I kept it for a long time, Niharika. Still, I don't know why you haven't finished copying it. Yeah, Sakshi, I would do that. Question 5 ka 8. Sir, can you solve question 5? Yeah, definitely. You mean this, right? Yeah, I would do it. So here is the last step. And Sakshi, just to explain it to you, uh, 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3. And this in the denominator will stay as it is क्योंकि multiplication है बीच में प्लस या माइनस होता है तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होता है. Sakshi, hope you've understood. If the doubt persists, if your doubt was something else, just ask. Daniel, you've raised your hand. If there are any questions, just ask. Answer for 5, I'll have to check what answer it is. Right? I believe most of the students have finished copying the sum. So I just move on to the next sum. Before I move on to the next sum, Niharika, I'll give you 5 seconds. You may take a screenshot of this. Yeah, Aditi, I'll do that. I'll give you 5 seconds as well. One. Daniel says, sir, you are mute. No, I am not mute, child. I hope everybody is able to hear me because Daniel says you are mute. There is some issue with Daniel, I believe. Yeah. Because Daniel is just keeping on messaging me, sir, you are on mute. Kindly unmute. Okay, Devidyal Rex again has messaged me, you are mute. I don't know what is happening. But since I can receive the message from most of the kids saying they can hear me, I'll just message Daniel. Okay, I'll just continue. I don't know what problem. Can somebody just message Daniel if you have his number? He's from Takshila branch. So Takshila kids, kindly just message him if you can. And Daniel is kind of messaging me. Just let me just go to the participants list. I'll message him. Just give me a moment, kids here. Yeah, so I've just messaged him. I would like to come back. Just let me check how, where. Yeah, very sorry for the disturbance. It was necessary because it was kind of messaging me a lot. Right? Just let me adjust few things here. Yeah. I hope you all can see the image, the page clearly. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, somebody requested the formula page. Here are the complementary formulas. I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hope you have taken a screenshot, right? And this is the other table wala page. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yeah, that's it. So few sums from problem set left. I'll complete those, but there was a kid who requested me to solve the fifth one. I won't give you time to copy. So Shreyansh, I won't be showing it again. Very sorry for that. But at the end, if there is still time left, I'll do it, or else you can just watch it from the recorded link, right, child? Cos square 45 degree plus sin square 30 degree. So cos 45 का value is 1 upon root 2 the whole square plus sin 30 का value is half the whole square. So that would be 1 upon 2 क्योंकि root 2 का square is 2 and 1 का square is 1, 2 का square is 4. Now you cross multiply. 4 ones are 4, 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So it is 6 upon 8 and 3, sorry, 2 threes are 2 fours are. So the ultimate answer is 3 upon 4. I hope it is clear. The kid who requested, I believe it was Ria. Ria, I hope you've understood fifth sum. Yeah. Now, moving on to the problem set sums. If you read the first MCQ, it says, choose the correct alternative answer for following multiple choice questions. Which of the following statements is true? It says sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is tan 90 minus theta. We all know कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फॉर्मूलाज जो है cos और tan के बीच में नहीं है. अच्छा, sin और tan के बीच में भी नहीं है and tan and cot के बीच में है. So it is nothing but option A, which I have already ticked here, right? Neha is requesting me the last slide. Neha, I already said I won't be waiting for this particular sum to be copied. So still I give you 5 seconds. You may take screenshot of it since it is homework, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope Neha, I've served your purpose. Right. So which of the following is the value of sine 90? This is as good as we refer the table and we just tick mark, right? Option D. अब इसका value you need to just kind of scribble and get the answer. So 2 tan 45. So 2 into tan 45 is nothing but 1 plus cos 45 is nothing but 1 upon root 2 minus sin 45 is again 1 upon root 2. Now children, tell me what is 2 minus 2? What is 2 minus 2? 0. Likewise, same thing minus same thing. It has to be 0. Plus or minus cancel ho jata hai. So 2 into 1, the answer is 2. So that is nothing but option C, right? Now this is something very unique, जो कि पूरे टेक्स्ट बुक में और कहीं पे नहीं है, ये कैटेगरी के sums. So I'll talk about this category of sum. In fact, I would love to solve it stepwise as well. Cos 28 upon sin 62. Children, tell me first thing कि 28 and 62 आर दे स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स. मतलब ये जो एंगल है वो टेबल में से है क्या? नहीं. मतलब डेफिनेटली ये सब टेबल में से यूज करके हम लोग सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. इट इज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन द टेबल. नाउ द सेकंड थिंग, सिंस इट इज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन द टेबल, check if the addition of both the angles is it equal to 90. 28 plus 62 दोनों को ऐड करके 90 होता है. अगर आंसर यस है, 110% कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स का फॉर्मूला यूज होगा यहाँ पर, राइट? सो बेसिकली आई विल बी यूजिंग कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फॉर्मूले. Now children, either apply complementary formula for cos theta or apply it for sin theta. दोनों के लिए अगर apply किया, you will never get the answer. Apply it only for one or for any one. So let's say I apply it for cos. Cos theta, we all know is nothing but sin 90 minus theta. So numerator में, using the formula, if theta is 28, it has to be sin 90 minus 28. Now, if you apply the same thing here as well, answer nahi aane wala hai. So keep the denominator as it is, sine 62. And in the bracket, I put the reason as since cos theta is equals to sine 90 minus theta, right? Hope it is clear. Okay, now 90 minus 28, when we subtract, what we find is it is nothing but 62 degree. So sine 62 upon sine 62. Same thing upon same thing. 2 upon 2. The answer is 1. Right? So that's our answer. 1. You may just copy this. Yeah. Just for your reference. क्योंकि कोई कोई स्कूल कभी कभार इसको as sum भी पूछ लेते हैं. Right? Since this is the only sum in the entire textbook of its category, I've solved it. I believe there is one more sum in the solved example. Let me check. I'm not sure though. Yeah, there is. You can just see 110 page number per. There is this sum. Example 2, one more sum of the same category that is in our textbook, right? Cos 56 upon sine 34. You need to solve it using the same method. So I believe that you can take it as homework. It is on page 110. I'll put it here, page 110. Page 110, solved example number 2. ये जो सम किया है exactly इसके जैसा है, right? Now, MCQs are discussed. Second and third sum, I've already given those as homework. Fourth and fifth is pending. Sir, can you solve fill in the blanks? Yeah, मैं अभी वही solve करने जा रहा हूँ. And then I'll talk about the fourth sum at the end, right? With which we'll just end the topic. So there are 5 minutes left, and that's absolutely fair enough. We will be finishing the topic in that. Fill in the blanks. The first sub question: sine 30 is equals to cos. Just let me, kind of copy the question and then I'll display it. How much degree? 30 ki 20? 20, am I mistake? So sine 20 is cos how much? We all know the relation between sine and cos is that of complementary formulas. We know the formula which I need to think of here is sine theta is cos 90 minus theta. This is the formula which I need to have it at the back of my mind. So if theta is 20, here it has to be 90 minus 20, which is 70. Oh, Priya, you've understood this. ये 70 कैसे आया? Right? Any kid who haven't understood कि ये 70 कैसे आया? This is 20. Yeah. The next part is tan 30 into tan of which angle will give me 1. Now from the table, if you refer to the table, tan 30 का value is 1 upon root 3. अगेन यहाँ पे क्योंकि tan लिखा है तो मुझे tan का ही कुछ ऐसा वैल्यू चाहिए, tan के टेबल में से कुछ ऐसा वैल्यू यहाँ पर चाहिए जिसको अगर मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट करूँ तो आंसर 1 आ जाए, राइट? सो tan of 60 degree we all know is nothing but root 3. If I substitute root 3 will get cancelled, the answer is 1. तो root 3 तभी आएगा जब यहाँ पर क्या होगा, tan 60 degree, right? And at the end is cos 40 is sine of which angle? Again, I'll have to talk about complementary formulas. Cos theta is sine 90 minus theta. So 40, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 90 minus 40, which is 50 degree, right? So that's it. We have understood all the 3 fill in the blanks. I believe we still have 2 minutes. I'll just discuss question 4 and जो भी टाइम बचेगा उसमें हम लोग या फिर तो सॉल्व कर सकते हैं और वी कैन टेक द लेफ्ट आउट पार्ट ऑफ दैट सम एज होमवर्क. या so the last sum for the day. Question number 4. I'll just read it out for you guys. I'll draw the figure here. L, M, N, and this is 90. So the question is, in the right angle triangle LMN, angle N is theta. So this angle has been provided to us as theta. Angle M is 90. Cos theta has been given to us. Cos theta is given to us as 24 by 25. I mark it as my equation 1. Find sine theta and tan theta. Hey children, isn't it kind of similar to triangle method wala sums? Right? तो हम लोग ट्राइंगल मेथड यूज करके साइन और tan थीटा ढूंढ सकते हैं. अच्छा, once sin theta and tan theta are known to us, at the end they have asked us to find sin square theta. तो sin theta का वैल्यू जो भी होगा, जैसे 2/7, तो 2/7 का स्क्वायर करके क्या हो जाएगा 4/49. You just have to square sin theta का वैल्यू, right? And you will be getting sin square theta. तो ये जो पूछा था ये भी मिल जाएगा अगर sin theta मिलेगा. This is to be done using triangle method और ये उसका स्क्वायर करके. नेक्स्ट देव आस्क्ड अस cos स्क्वायर थीटा. अब cos थीटा का वैल्यू तो हमको ऑलरेडी पता है, इट इज गिवन 24/25, तो उसका स्क्वायर करना है सिर्फ, राइट? सो स्क्वायर करके आ जाएगा 576/625. आई होप दैट इज क्लियर. एनी डाउट्स? This I believe would be 7/25. So that is 49/625. I hope you kids can do this on your own. So question 4 again would be homework, and with that we complete chapter 8, that is trigonometry. Now next I'll be starting with chapter 7, and that will be dealing with on PPT, right? If there are any doubts with respect to any of the previous chapters, kindly let me know so that we can clear those first and then we can start with the next chapter. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much and God bless you all.